Hi everybody, and welcome to another video with Lady Lori. That's me. Anyhow, today what do I have for you? I have my add-ons. These are my add-ons for September 2021. These are the add-ons, well, they're the ones that Lady Lori, when I go in there and I do my choices and you do your add-ons for your choice for last month. These are the ones that when I was picking in the Lady Lori profile, I purchased these. Okay, so why I did this, I do not know, except for the fact that if you can get it, because you're gonna get it at a really good price, get it. And that's the Glam Glow. This is the Youth Mud. Because I had and opened that second profile, I went pfft, and I chose it, forgetting that I bought it during my add-on. Oh, I do all kinds of stuff like that. You'll learn that about me. Okay, and then this is the Kate Somerville Active Concentrates. This is the vitamin B3 plus vitamin C serum, brighten and even. So, with maturing skin, you need your vitamin C. You need the vitamin B3. You need your AHAs and BHAs. Look them up and research them, because depends on the type of skin you have and what it is you're trying to achieve before you go putting something like that on your skin. You may be putting something on your skin, all of a sudden you're like, wait a minute, my skin's changing now. So just be careful what you put on it with regards to the AHA, BHA. One's a beta, one's an alpha. That's a real pretty bottle. That's really pretty. I like that bottle. And it's a serum. It's gonna brighten and even. I need that. And then I got the Balancing Lavender Toner by Elemis, because I love Elemis. Elemis has some amazing, amazing products. And this is from their advanced skincare line. So I was out of toner. I knew I needed it. I opened up the pharmacy deep sweep, and I've been using that, and I've been very happy with it. But I wanted to try this out. So here we go, something new, right? It smells nice. I can smell the lavender. Definitely smell the lavender. Still kind of in the air a little bit. That's nice. Okay. I'm excited about this one. I'm going to read all about it before I put it on, just in case. You never know. Something may not go with your skin, and you be going, everybody's using it. You go buy it, find out it's not for you. And then I go and I get the Elena Bedro. You know this one has to go in a giveaway because I had no business buying this. I really did not have any business buying this. This is that one that's in that faux leather. It's really pretty. It's only 3 brushes. It's really pretty. These real pretty brushes. These real pretty blue with the silver ferrule and the white tips. They're gorgeous. I mean, they have her name on them. I don't know anything about the company. Nobody apparently knows anything about the company. I don't know whether they're good brushes or not. I couldn't tell you. They're constructed nicely. The fibers on that make up the head of the brush. So this is going to go in a giveaway, because there's nothing about these brushes that tells me I need 2 sets. That's the one thing that I do not like about the add-ons at all, because you choose your add-ons when you make your choice, and then they show you this may be one of the products that's going to be in that base box. This is going to be in the premium, but we're not sure if you're going to get it because we haven't made your box yet. So you get those because you're thinking, you know, my choice isn't that. I'm going to get something else, but I really like that. You know what I mean? Then you go ahead and you order it. Now, there wasn't any reason for me to order that little 3 brush set. So nevertheless, that's kind of my rational thinking process of why I do what I do. Okay, this next box here is the add-ons for Lady Lori. These are the ones for September right here. And facing me makes no sense. I'm telling you right now, it makes no sense. Again, this goes without saying. Did I know that I was going to get this in my box? Was this a choice? I can't remember. I'm already moving into they're already giving me choices for October. and it's probably for November. It's the 11th. I have left the building when it comes to anything that happened in September with BOXYCHARM, so I do not know. There are some of you guys that can remember this 3 months back. You can remember it 6 months back. Oh, no, Lori, that was not a choice. That was something that you got for this, 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 this. And I just go, I welcome your memory. I welcome your memory. I welcome it. But anyway, no, I don't remember if this was a choice. I don't remember if this was just something that was part of the variation. I couldn't tell you. But this is the Pinky Rose. This is the Pump Your Base. It's the 2 multi-use makeup sticks in the color Jazz. It's in the color Jazz and in the color Hip Hop. Remember, it had that cocoa, this color, and then this color. And you can put the cream color underneath and then add shadow with pop and color on top of it. Yeah. I kept telling myself, I'm not going to do anything with these pencils. And then I started playing with them. And I liked them. So that might just go inside of a giveaway. And this was another, oops, this is by Blink. This is going to be going in a giveaway for sure. Can you believe, I mean, these things are, and they were cheap. You know what I mean? This is like a $45 or $50 palette, something like that, $48 if you were to buy it from the company. And this is Beauty in a Blink, Ultra Longwear and Effortless Glow Getter Face Palette. You guys remember this one here? Everybody's really starting to like it. Now I got 2. So these will go in a giveaway. And then they have their 2. Their 2 furs. Yes. I don't have this one. This is the Blossom Passion by Ace Beauty. Beauty. However you pronounce it. I was always told it's Ace Beauty. But then when you see that the sketch over the E, Ace Beauty, so it is however you feel like it. I'm sure the company probably thinks nothing because they're never going to watch this video, so I can chop the name up any way I want. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It's in my wheelhouse, in my color house. I love these colors. This is the Blossom Passion. It came in 2. Somebody's gonna get it. I know you guys are all going, yay, she buys stuff and then we get it for free. It's kind of how it works, right? There you go. There's 2. We did it again. Ace Beauty. This one is the Slice of Paradise. It's a little more colorful. A lot more colorful. Like a peacock. Let's see if we can't. Here we go. Look at those colors. And they're gorgeous. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm always afraid to dip into them. Some people are like, I'm going to swatch them. This is just me, and everybody has their preference, okay? This is just me. I'm not big on swatches. The only time that I like to see a palette swatched is when you're about to use it so that you can kind of get a gist of the colors. And I don't want to see the whole palette swatched. I just want to see the colors you're contemplating using. If you saw the video on the Fall Luxe for BOXYCHARM over 50, and I didn't open it because I showed you my cab palette. It was the contour palette. It's the volume 1. Yeah. It's not the volume 1. Relax. Volume 2. So I was pretty excited about this. If you didn't know, there are different shades for different skin types, basically. Now the volume 1 it was fine. You can actually use it for as eyeshadow if you wanted. Very neutral, very soft, very gentle, everyday out the door type of look. Or you could use it for the purpose of what it was intended for. But this is for a little bit more along the lines of my skin type when it comes to the shades of the contour. Because I am a little darker than most fair-skinned people. There is a big mirror, so I'm just trying to make sure I don't blind you with it. But these are the colors that are more along my skin tone. These shades right here. I do see this one's kind of like that banana. Is that, and does it say that? No, this one says sunshine. But this one reminds me of the undertones of that banana, like the banana setting powder. This one has a lot of yellow in it. A lot of yellow, and you probably can't pick that up. This one right here does as well. But then as you kind of come along back down, you're getting closer and closer to what my skin tone is. And then you get eyeshadows. I mean, use them as eyeshadows. Why not? Don't let these palettes go to waste. If my daughter didn't get this, then this will go to her. If she didn't get this, this will go to her. If not, they'll go in a giveaway. You know, most of the time she tells me, Mom, put them in a giveaway. When she has the time, she has a 2.5-year-old that's always biting at her ankles. So it's hard for Mom to sit down, take some quiet time, put on a nice little, you know, soft glam look for the day. Because then guess what? Baby comes and jumps up on her lap and says, I want to play with makeup. And then puts me on FaceTime because she wants me to watch her put makeup on. And Mom just sits back there with that look on her face. You know, the one because you'd rather see the baby happy. And you go out looking like, okay. Anyway. All right, you guys, that is everything for my add-ons for September 2021. There is my BOXYCHARM over 50 and my Lady Lori. It's from both profiles. That's everything that I got from both of them. So until my next video, you guys know the drill. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And until the next one, that's when I'll see ya. Bye.